I have here the 264 drop paper pot seeder. I've loaded the tray with vermiculite so you can get a good contrast of the seeds. I start out by aligning this edge with the tray. Then I mark 1 inch along that line. I bring one seed over, drop it in each hole. This is beet. The beet seed is a little clumsy to use with a vacuum seeder. Now I'll draw that over to that next line, and I'll trust the seeder to drop it in the right place. As you can see, there's a seed in each one of those cells. If I were to keep going, I would do that next one, then the next one, and so on. And when I got to the end, I would line up on this line and finish dropping them in the holes. They'd all be seeded.